Can I ask what your name is?
Donald Berger.
What your name? And ma'am, yours?
Jennifer Ellis, same case.
Same case?
Yeah.
Okay, it's been adjourned because obviously it's been in compliance. So in the matter of Jennifer Berger versus Ronald Berger, now it's Allison, you said?
Ellis, E-L-L-I-S.
File number 23-51097 DM, that's been adjourned to May 5. If you call the clerk's office or my office or front of the court on Friday, you can always find out if you need to come, okay? Okay, thank you both. I got a couple people, I don't know who they are. Hi, sir, what is your name?
David Schwarz.
Hi, Mr. Schwartz, hold on one second. Got a couple people, I don't know who they are, so I'm just kind of filling in the names. So give me just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
I just admitted somebody with a device that says Coosea, C-O-O-S-E-A, and I sent you a request to unmute your device, please. Hi, what is your name?
My name, it's David Schwarz.
No, not you. It's the whoever else I've admitted. I don't know who they are.
Is it Frederick Shears?
Oh, Mr. Shears, hold on. I'm going to rename your screen and let me see here. Okay, you're on an 8:30, so I'm going to change your screen name, Mr. Shears, and then I am going to put you in the waiting room because you come in on April Cadell. So, all right, I've changed your screen name and I'm going to pop you in the waiting room, Mr. Shears, and I'll bring you right back in, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shears. Okay, so let's start then with you, Mr. Schwarz. Let me grab your paperwork. All right, this is in the matter of David Schwarz versus Jessica Schwarz, file number 2020-47465 DM. I do have Mr. Schwarz present in person. This is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Schwarz, you are ordered to pay $857 a month in child support. The rearage at the time of the show cause was $6,669.14. It's now, as of today, $12,940.92. The original show cause on this was September 20th of 21. I show this is your 25th show cause for front of the court. And we have received payments of $3,119.74. The last payment we received was on March 24th of 25 in the amount of $234.79.
Yes, Your Honor. I've been in close contact with Kelly. I literally just paid Friday. She told me she needed more than a day to be able to show cause. I'm literally getting ready to walk in. I sent her my unemployment information. She's already
Mr. Schwarz, Mr. Schwarz, are you at the courthouse now?
No, Your Honor. I'm getting ready to walk into an orientation for a job. I'm out of state.
Okay, Mr. Schwarz, how much did you pay yesterday?
Friday I paid $250 and I'll have April completely paid up by the end of the month, and I'll be back on schedule. I've been on schedule with Kelly. I
So,
have,
Mr. Schwarz, do you understand? You have to pay more than the monthly charge. You are at the level where the state of Michigan can charge you with a felony. Do you understand that?
yes, Your Honor, and I'm doing the best I can. I promise you I
Okay,
am.
when's the last time you petitioned in front of the court for a review of your child support?
I haven't. I have another kid on the way. I have another
But I
kid.
really don't care about the other child on the way because you can't even pay your child support on this one. Mr. Schwartz, my question for you was, did you ever petition to have your child support lowered?
I have.
Okay,
Yes.
you may need to do that again. Mr. Schwartz, I'm gonna adjourn this out to May 5. But I want to see the payment you said you're gonna make, but you need to pay $50 to $100 extra a month. So, you know, have your child support reviewed, get another part-time job. I don't care because you have to pay on this so you don't get a felony, all right?
Yes, Your Honor. I
All
will
right,
do that.
make those payments and we'll see you back on May 5. Thank you.
Thank you.
Honor, plead not guilty. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. All right, what's your name?
Taylor Showcat.
Okay, and what is your name? Okay, I'll be with you guys in a minute. All right, I just let somebody in named Brain. I think you meant Brian, but sir, what's your name, please?
Brian Mason.
All right, Mr. Mason, good morning.
Morning.
So this is in the matter of Diane Hubbard versus Brian Mason, file number 2014-41008 UN. So Mr. Mason, this is a show cause on your arrearages. We show that your current arrearage is $6,743. So it's gone down substantially, Ms. Kneisel?
Yes.
It has, yes?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, good. So I'm glad to hear that you are paying this down, Mr. Mason.
Yes, ma'am.
This is your 7th show cause. Looks like the last payment we received on March 11 was $260. I
just
Go ahead.
had a payment come out Thursday night, so it just isn't showing yet.
How much was that payment?
$260.
Good. Are you paying through your employer or are you just making payments directly?
I'm paying through this expert pay.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna set this out. Miss Adams, Miss Knizo, any objection to setting this out a little bit because he's making payments?
Yeah, that would be absolutely fine, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Adams, can I get a Monday in July?
Okay. July 7th.
All right, so Mr. Mason, I'm gonna set this out to July 7 at 8 AM. Keep making the payments, I think this is Miss Knizo's case, but I'm not sure whose it is, but keep in touch with them because they may dismiss it if you're continuing to make payments like that, all right?
Right, okay. No
All
problem.
right, I'll enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Thank you, Mr. Mason.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. All right. Everybody's doing a pretty good job this morning. So, all right, Mr. Wilson, good morning.
Good morning.
This is in the matter of Ionia Folk versus Deon Wilson, file number 20-47450 DP. So, Mr. Wilson, this is an arrearages only case. Today's arrearage is, the amount of your arrearage today is $6,663.18. So this is arrearages only. Is that correct then, Ms. Stevenson?
That's correct.
Oh, good. All right. So this is your 5th show cause, but Mr. Wilson, let's see. You did make a payment, you did make a $35 payment on December 16. Mr. Wilson, let's see, you filed for a support review. You were ordered to pay $35 a week for medical support. Okay, so you haven't, all right, so it looks like you had a couple hearings back and forth. Now you have a $0 order. You still have to make a payment on that arrearage, Mr. Wilson. If you would pay $50 a month, I would be happy with that. So do you think you'd be able to do that?
I mean, yes, I can. I'm gonna have to, I guess. But my question is this: well, this is just about the arrearages, right?
Yep, just arrearages.
Okay, so anything else, like if I want to, I just have to figure out how to bring up other stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna have to. That was the problem with that some online payment system they got set up, and I got locked out. But they ended up unlocking it for me. So
Okay, and so yeah, Mr. Wilson, $50 a week.
a
would be
week or a
suitable.
month?
No, I'm sorry, a month. So if you pay $50 a month, I'd be happy with that. I'm gonna adjourn this out to July 7th at 8 AM. I'll enter a plea of not guilty. If you're making the $50 payment, they may dismiss it or adjourn it, all right?
All right.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Is anybody a minor back there? Under the age of 18?
Yeah.
All right, can you go have a seat in the hallway, please? And we just don't allow minors in the courtroom. Thank you. All right, in the matter of Whitney Losi versus Aiden Para, no. File number 2008-33253 DP, says date time set for a show cause. We have an arrearage of $16,773.49. He is not in my waiting room. He is not in the courtroom. So I will issue a bench warrant for his arrest. And I will set bond in the amount of $3,500 cash. Sherry Poole or Kenneth Poole, want to come on up? So you're Kenneth Poole. Come right up here. There's a little door right there. I think that's our front of the court stuff, ladies.
Yes.